Tomorrow, we fully expect to officially hear President Biden will start his search for a new Supreme Court justice. Thanks for joining us. I'm James Brown.
And I'm Molly Koick. CNN is reporting Supreme Court Justice Stephen Breyer plans to formally announce his retirement after serving more than 2 decades on the high court.
At 5, we asked our viewers whether they thought this move would impact them. You see right there, you can see 56% of the people said they thought it would, 44% said no.
I talked with a political science professor about how this could affect us here in the Miami Valley. About 500 miles from here, 9 Supreme Court justices make decisions about the way people live and work in the Miami Valley and throughout the country.
I think we should care about it.
Dr. Mark Caleb Smith, a Cedarville University political science professor, explained the significance of Justice Breyer's potential retirement.
Because the court is touching on an awful lot of important issues. They're going to show up in our daily lives.
That includes things like abortion rights, gun rights, and the president's vaccine mandate should it go back in front of the high court. This is what Breyer said earlier this month when he was part of the dissenting decision which would have required the shots for employees at larger companies.
Find it, unbelievable that it could be in the public interest to suddenly stop these vaccinations.
Breyer is the oldest member on the court right now, part of a liberal minority in a 6-3 split.
Every justice has the right and opportunity to decide what he or she is going to do and announce it on their own.
But Smith said when that happens, President Biden will nominate a liberal judge, someone who will not shake up the court's political leanings.
I think it's unlikely that this seat makes a big difference in the composition of the court or the direction of the country.
However, that person could serve decades, affecting the court's future as new justices come onto the bench.
He was a model jurist.
And when President Biden makes his pick, he has favorable conditions in the U.S. Senate to get it confirmed.
In the Senate, we want to be deliberate. We want to move quickly. We want to get this done as soon as possible.
Should there be a tie, Vice President Kamala Harris gets the deciding vote.
So assuming she supports the nominee, then the Democrats have just enough wiggle room to get an appointment through if they can all stay together.
Even before Biden became president, he said he would like to appoint a black woman to the court. CNN reports Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson is a front runner. She used to work as a Supreme Court clerk for Breyer, and the president and his team recently vetted her and confirmed her to the D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals.